Today, I'm going to show you how to create this cool video effect inside Canva. Let's get started. Alright, and for this method, I'll show you something new. This picture is from Creative Fabrica. I've already added it on the page. If I zoom out, you'll see it's a really long image, but I'll just use this section for now. Here's what I'm going to do. I've already stretched the page out to about 10 seconds, and now I'll go to Elements and type in Walk. Next, I'll click here on these 3 lines, choose this, then choose Animated. Now everything shown is animated. If you're using a free account, just make sure you don't pick the ones that have crowns on them, because those are for the paid Canva users. I'll choose this lady. Now I'll flip her and put her right about here. Then I'll scoot her off the page, just like that. Watch carefully, I'm going to show you something a little different. I'll click Animate, click on the B, and now drag her across the page like this. Yep, that looks good. Click Done. The next thing I'll do is go to Text and put in this word. Then make it bigger and change the font. Nice. Okay, I'll make it say shopping. Now I'll duplicate it. I'll right-click, click on Duplicate, and then make them line them up exactly. Now I'll click on Effects and choose Hollow. Okay, so net that you can see it's changed just a little bit, but let me zoom out. Now go to Position and notice you'll see the 2 words. There's the solid black one, and here's the hollow version. Here's the cool part. I'll take this lady and put her right in between the words. So there's the words, her, and then the words, right? Let's watch this. I'll go back here and click play. Wow, is that not cool? And this is a really fun animation trick that you might find some use for. It looks like she's just walking right through the words. So we're animating not only her, but the text as well. Have fun playing with these techniques.
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.